Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to do some oral blending and decoding of words with suffixes full, li, and I, or sometime, I as in try, or sometime e as in happy. So let's talk about suffixes. So a suffix is a word part that can be added to the end of some words to make a new word. So, for example, if we add full to cup, we would have cupful. So, what do these suffixes mean? The suffix full can mean full of. The suffix ly or li can mean like. The suffix y can mean full of or like. When you add a suffix, you also add a syllable. So, knowing about suffixes, we are going to do a blending lesson. So, the first one we have cup, cupful, slow, slowly, cloud, cloudy, trick, tricky, peace, peaceful, point, pointy, hope, hopeful, safe, safely, ice, icy, furry, furry, bravely, playful, squeaky, squeaky, helpful, loudly, longest. So these are now review of the previous lesson. Longest, longest, pony, try, high, 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 field, eyes, nicer, biting, biting, eyed, cried, happy, happy, happily, happily, power, powerful, powerful. Moving on to our two sentences, we have this animal can purr softly, period. Now notice this simple sentence has a capital in the beginning and a period as an end mark at the end. Our next sentence we have, this animal looks spotty, period. Again, capital in the beginning of your sentence is very, very, very important. And then to end our sentence, to make it complete, we need to put an end mark of some kind. So reviewing the end marks, we have period, question mark, or exclamation marks. Okay, it depends on how you structure your sentence and what kind of sentence you're writing. Okay, so that ends today's lesson. Thank you for doing the blending and decoding lesson with me, boys and girls. Practice, practice, practice as usual. Have a great day.